arbitrationagreements.org. Today, we find ourselves diving into a topic that might feel a bit heavy, but believe me, understanding this could potentially save you a lot of stress and strain in the long run. We are talking about conciliation and whether or not you need a lawyer by your side during this process. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you protect your finances while saving time. Now, I know when disputes arise, it's quite common to think that hiring a lawyer is the next logical step. And in many cases, it might be. But let's explore how taking the path of conciliation can be a beneficial option for many, and in what instances you might prefer to tread this path without a lawyer. You see, conciliation is a voluntary, flexible, confidential, and interest-based process. The parties seek to reach an amicable dispute resolution with the help of a conciliator, who acts as a neutral third party. Now, here's an interesting statistic for you. It's been noted that a significant percentage of cases, let's say around 75%, manage to find a resolution through conciliation. That's quite a remarkable figure, isn't it? Now, the beauty of conciliation is that it promotes open communication, collaboration, and an atmosphere that's more relaxed compared to a court setting. It's a process that encourages empathy and understanding. And to answer the burning question, no, you don't need a lawyer during conciliation. In fact, many people prefer going through this process without legal representation, as it fosters a direct dialogue between the involved parties. Now, let's ponder over some of the advantages conciliation has over court litigation. Firstly, it is generally much faster, saving you precious time. Secondly, it's cost-effective, saving not only your money, but also the substantial costs often associated with court proceedings. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, it gives you control over the outcome, encouraging a solution that's mutually agreeable rather than having a solution imposed by a third party, such as a judge. So friends, as you contemplate the road ahead, remember that conciliation offers a space where you can find resolution in a manner that is respectful, considerate, and allows for the maintenance of relationships without having to pay for the services of a lawyer. If you want to learn more information about conciliation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people use our services to navigate the legal process in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about conciliation? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.